Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enter a contact into Handheld Contact API. Now I have the advantage of having an iPad and the iPhone. Now I just think the bigger the device, it is easier to work with, so therefore I'm going to focus on the iPad for this tutorial. I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Contacts. When this comes up, you'll notice I have a plus sign down in the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to click on that. Now, on the right hand side, I have all this information I can fill in. Now, this is my opinion. It's my opinion that it's easier to work with data in Act on your computer. It's just a bigger device. We have a full keyboard, and I'm just not as good at the iPad or the iPhone as I am on the computer for just getting information in, typing, things of that nature. But in this case, I'm just going to type in real quick Jill. Nope. And I'm going to go down to the next one, Smith. And I'm not going to worry about capitalization right here. Company, the ABC company. Next, department, and so on and so forth. Now, when I clicked on department, I had all these options that popped up. I'm going to click on facilities, and I'm going to leave it at that. Title, I'm going to ignore. Primary email, I'm going to type in Jill Smith at gmail.com. And I'm going to go through this and I'm going to pause this and come back to you. So bear with me just a moment as I type this. I don't want to bore you with this information, but you'll see the extent of what I'm typing in right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you'll see I've entered in a lot of information here. I've done all the work on this. I've put it in. And again, I tend to go back to my primary database and I go by something called the Monday plan where I know every Monday I'm going to come in and review all the new contacts that were entered into ACT in the last 7 days and update them and just review them and make sure I've done things right. So even if I didn't get all the information in here, there's going to be a point in time just based on the way I suggest you work to get that information into ACT. Now, this information entering it here, in my opinion, is a lot easier than the phone, but to each his own, and it might be that you work faster on the phone. Good for you. So once we get this information in, I'm going to click Done. And I've clicked Done, and now there's Jill Smith and all her information. So from this point, we can do a lot of things. We can send Jill Smith an email, check the website, make a phone call, and so on. And I'll address that a little bit more in our upcoming tutorials. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.